everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today is Mask Monday, Magical Mask Monday. And today we are going to use the Rejuvenating Tea Tree Mask. It says it soothes skin damage. Sheet Mask by Glam Up. This is the back. Alright, let's get started. We're also going to pull an oracle card for the week from the Sacred Forest and do the moon phase card for today. Excuse the bus in the background. I have my windows open. It's a beautiful day. Here's the mask. And this is Rejuvenating Tea Tree, like I said. It's really wet. So how's everybody doing this past week? Everything here is going extremely well. Heidi's improving more and more each day. She's walking about 50% of the time without a walker. I don't know why my nose holes look like dark like that on this with this lighting. Oh, this is cold. Feels good though. Today is Monday, May 22nd, and I am actually filming it Monday morning. I do have some upcoming videos. I got a new palette from ColourPop. Me and Alex from Makeup Addict 1992. I've been waiting on this palette. We had to do the restock. And more on that will be revealed. Alright, where'd my little cloth go? Who knows? I'll wipe it on my pants. Heidi is still sleeping. I can see her on the camera. Alright, let's get this show on the road. So I hope everybody's doing well. I've been doing a lot of gardening this week. It's been warm. We got the tub in. We are waiting on our truck to be repaired so we can go get the waterproof wallboard that we need to surround the tub. Right now I am shuffling the oracle cards, the Sacred Forest Oracle, to pull our oracle card and message for the week. Anyway, so the tub's in. She's had a few baths now. She loves it. It took a little bit to get used to. There is about a 3.5, 4-inch step up into the tub, even though it's a walk-in. She's managing it well. Getting out was a little hairy the first time, but now that she knows where she can, you know, steady herself, and she's doing really well with it. I went to the greenhouse and got some flats of flowers. Made my own hanging baskets. Got a little sun. Went to my grandson's birthday party. Had a really good time. Alright. So, shuffle, shuffle. To pull. Alright. Let's see what it is. Let me just... Oh, it's owl spirit. Its keyword is wisdom, and the number is 27. You see? It's a beautiful card. All right, let's read what that means. For the week of May 22nd, for all of you who tuned in, the oracle card for the week is Owl Spirit, and its message is the sun has set and you feel a remarkable transformation occurring. Your body shape shifts into an owl. You stretch out your huge wings and silently soar to the top of the tallest pine tree and look over the moonlit forest. Your ability to see the smallest details, even in the darkness, is remarkable. Your sight expands and you see luminous light bodies of the spirit of the forest. They signal you with love and compassion. Abounding insight, profound majesty, and grace are available to you now, simply by pulling your awareness inward. Ancient wisdom is emerging. You know the truth. Trust your intuition and perceptions right now. You are a truth seeker and a truth sharer. The excellent sight of owl in the darkness corresponds with your ability to perceive the reality of a situation, even in the murkiest of conditions. When this card chooses you, you are at the advent of a time of profound illumination and transformation. The owl sits at the shoulder of Athena and Merlin, revealing sacred truths. In some native cultures, the owl is called the night eagle, for it has the majesty of the eagle, but works silently in the darkness of night. This card can also mean it's time to embrace your dark side as well as your light side. Through doing so, you will be in balance. The spirit of the owl says, trust in your ability to see the deepest truth in situations and in people. Wisdom is growing within you in mysterious ways beyond your awareness. This is a good time to sign up for inspirational courses. Messages from spirit are all around you. Look for them and trust what you feel. So that's owl spirit. And the moon phase today is waxing crescent moon. And that is what this card looks like. That's the actual moon phase today. And the key words are have faith in your dreams. Don't give up. The situation you're asking about is still taking shape. You're nowhere near the end of the story. Whatever is happening now just is a step along the way. As they say in self-help classics, everything will be okay in the end. If it's not okay, it's not the end. However, the waxing crescent moon card is a reminder that you must still keep working towards whatever it is that you want. If you can't take the practical steps, spend time meditating on the questions you're asking about and allow your higher self to download information to you about your best next step. Overall, this card suggests there is every reason to be hopeful for a very positive outcome to the situation you're asking about. So keep the faith. Additional meanings: just because you can't see your dreams, it doesn't mean they're not manifesting. Don't look back. Stay focused on moving forward. Be patient as the events unfold. Dig a little deeper to find more courage. The waxing crescent moon is the second moon phase in the 8 main moon phases. But even if it's not the time of the waxing crescent moon when you pull this card, it suggests you really need to pursue your dreams. It's time to put your foot down hard as you chase your goals. Very interesting, very positive. One's about seeing and seeing the truths, and one's about stepping forward and believing in your dreams. All right. It says on the back, 20 to 30 minutes. We're at 10 minutes, and I don't want to keep you. So, I do have a couple more videos to film today. I try to pre-film things while Heidi Joe is sleeping. She's actually sleeping in today, and she was up a little bit last night. She wanted to watch a few movies that were on regular TV, so she was up till about midnight. And then she woke up around 3 and was having a hard time falling back to sleep, so I got up and I made some chamomile tea and gave her that, and she settled back down, and I couldn't fall asleep. But whatever, she's getting so much better, and things are moving along quite well. I believe her therapist is coming today. I have to go check the calendar. It's either today or tomorrow for physical therapy. Believe it or not, this mask is like, it's still wet, but it's like really soaked in. My skin really needs it. I got all bit up by something when I was weeding my garden. They're not itchy, just feel weird. Like scaly. So, alright, I'm not going to keep you much longer. I'm going to go ahead and pull this mask off. It smells good. I thought it was going to be more stronger smelling because, you know, tea tree can be really strong smelling sometimes. But it's not. So, I'm going to rub that in. I'm going to go do the rest of my skincare. And pre-film a video, or possibly after I talk to Alex, see what she wants to do. And film the new palette, which I will reveal when I film it. Alright, with that said, you have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the oracle card with the owl and the waxing crescent moon to follow your dreams. Have faith in your dreams. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. Hit that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Bye.